If you want to create your own custom line types, there is under the drafting tab a line type editor, and basically you can see that there's a list of line types in the library, and you can look at different examples. So if I was to come down and look at a hedge, you can see that it's made up of a series of arcs. A fence has a line through it with a couple dashes, and basically you would use this tool to create a new one, or open a line type file so you can create a new line type library. And then you're going to use the line or the arc to actually draw in what you want the line to look like. So it's going to be, you're drawing a portion of it, and it's going to be a repeated pattern. So like a center line is a long dash with a short dash. A solid line, if you take a look at it, is just this continuous line here. A water course may have something like this, and you can see it's actually using different colors. Retaining wall or a storm line has a S and a W, so it has a symbol in there. So again, different ways that you can create line types, and you can add a line type or delete a line type, and you can draw the line arc and look at some of the settings as well. So again, this line type editor is where you're able to create your own custom line types in Trimble Business Center.